Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this one, I'm just going to show you how Forex Tester 6 works. It's a fantastic software that we commonly use with our Academy members. Don't forget, underneath this video, you can see a discounted link to Forex Tester 6. You can also see our free training on board. So how does this work and what's the use of it and really what's it all about? So Forex Tester 6 is fantastic software because what it allows you to do is play out the markets and test your strategy and how you would make decisions, so you can see what kind of accuracy you're looking at. Now, this is different to simply trading demo because it's a lot quicker. First of all, you can change the speed of how the market moves up here. And also, it's got a wide range of capabilities. You can see all of these different factors, which it will tell you in one straight line. And you can also pick any market anytime. So it really gives you a general view of how markets form. And if you watch it and watch it and watch it, you test your strategy over and over and over again, it's a really good way to get to grips with how what you do works. Particularly for us, we teach members how to hedge and use methods like damage control for long-term gains. So it's really essential for us because it allows those students to practice what we're teaching them, and they can also send us what they're learning too, and we can look at what they've done on the simulator and reflect on it. So essentially the point of Forex Tester, before we just look at how it actually works and what it looks like when it works, is to test your strategies in a back testing form in a speedy environment. Because when you're doing it on a demo, you can't tune it up and down. You can't just pick any time in any market you want. You're completely left to wait for things to unfold. And it's a much slower process and you don't have all these tools. So if I just click resume for a second, you can see what the Forex Tester 6 is doing. Now, because I've set it to be very quick, it's doing it really, really at a fast pace. If I pause it, you can see what it does is it stops the market where it is. So that gives you the opportunity now to make a decision on how you would trade this market. Okay, what you would do, what your decision would be, and you can input those orders to buy the stop loss, buy limit, sell stop, etc., all down here. Okay, you can also add various indicators that you normally get with MT4, moving averages, etc. There's one on the chart at the moment, but you can see the data on the left as well as being processed. 12 days it's gone through. So obviously, as it goes forward, that's what it says. Now, if you press resume again, and we just take a random entry, let's say you wanted to take it short up here, okay, and you sold with stop loss, for example, and your stop loss was, let's say, this is hypothetical, not particularly something I would do, but you might say you want to short there, okay, with a sell, and then you play it. So you can see what happened was your order went straight into the stop loss and you lost money. So if you were practicing your method and it didn't involve that, perhaps this time you wanted to, let's say, you wanted to get short again. Okay, so let's go back, press the home. Okay, let's say you want to sell. Let's say the price is going to be 12383 for something like that. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. It's just for demo purposes. And then you want to go just above the previous high up here. Let's say at 124. Okay, let's put that as the parameters just for say. So you've got your sell limit. Whether it'll be hit or not, we'll find out. Okay, so again, you've lost money there because the market has blown through your stop above this previous high and then fell. So if you were someone who is using longer term time frame, for example, to catch those sell orders, you might have widened your stop, okay? Or if you're like us, you might have planned your damage control at this point and had no stop. Okay, so you can also see the stats are growing here, saying, what you've lost on the trades. For example, net profit basically is what you're looking at. The profit for the time period, which is fantastic. Again, your returns, profit factors, average loss. So it gives you all this really key data, which you would have to go and get yourself. And what you can see as well is that your balance and your equity is changing at the same time. Okay, so they're actually updating it as if it was real. So it's a fantastic way to be essentially trading the markets without trading them. And because it's easy to speed it up and slow it down, um, you can basically practice really, really quickly. Like I said, on a normal market, you would simply have to wait that period of time. Okay, of course, as always, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can do all things, you can add your indicators, etc. You can see now I've slowed the speed down, it slowed everything else down. Okay, and the stats on the left hand side are still updating. So you can see the market is trying to push up. So again, you might be short at this point. You might say, oh, we've had a short here, we've short there. I might want to take a short bias now within this long term uptrend, perhaps rebuy down here when you get this price rejection at this point. Okay, and so on. You can use other tools. You can make a list of strategies. You can add your strategy. You can do all sorts. You can tile your windows. You do everything you can do on MT4. Essentially, it's like an MT4 terminal that has basically saved recordings of the market moves over time. Okay, you can also have graphic elements to draw with, lines, shapes, whatever you need, fib levels. You can do everything in terms of drawing on the chart. So it's a fantastic way to practice your method, to back test and have it trade exactly like it was real in a much quicker period of time. So overall, like I said, we offer this to our Academy members. Like I said, we're partnered with FX Tester. We believe in them a lot. We believe in the product, and we know it works really well to speed up the learning curve, because it has for our students especially. They'll watch our material, they'll learn from us in the live room every day when we go over all charts for the New York session. And they ask us questions. Then they'll go and test it on the simulator before they open any real money accounts, just so they've got a bit of consistency, and they've tested their eye and they understand how markets work. And then after that, they can keep using it and they can test new things they're trying out, new assets they want to trade, and so on and so forth. So they can share that with us as well within Forex Tester. You can share what you've been looking at, what you've done, how it's turned out, and then you can reflect on it. Or like I said, with our members, we reflect on how they've progressed, what they've done, the decisions they've made, and how we can adjust that and give them a hand. There's some really, really good subscription plans for this. There's money back guarantees, everything. But like I said, as we're partnered with Forex Tester, you'll get a discount with us as part of that. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to grab your license with Forex Tester. It's a really, really groundbreaking almost tool. I've not seen it anywhere else. And of course, you can join our live trading room underneath and trade with myself and my co-founder, co-mentor, live on chart every New York session. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.